Hey, Minnie, look there. The furry plant we saw yesterday's down.
Did the plant stand up to begin with? Come on, let's have a look at it.
How strange is the furry plant? It's like it's moving. Does it have a face? Hey, this plant is talking.
So it looks like you met Yumak.
Yumak, huh? Did you name this plant as well? This one can literally talk. So what is this constantly moving furry thing? Can all plants move like that?
It's not a plant, it's a dog. This furry thing is its tail. The dogs move their tails in order to show us their range of emotions. I think it was pretty shocked when it saw you.
We got scared as soon as it talked.
He's right, we even jumped.
Then bark to you as well, Yumak.